Approving a document. Now the editing is complete, documents must be approved before the tender can be published. Sections that need to be approved will show an awaiting approval icon next to the heading in the outline tree. Individual sections can be approved or rejected, using the icons next to a section in the document. If a section is rejected, a comment can be added, which the user can view, edit the section again and resubmit for approval. After a section is approved, the outline tree icon will disappear. All sections can be approved at once, by clicking the Approve button at the top of the document. When all the sections have been approved, all of the outline tree icons will disappear. This indicates the document is ready for use.